Day 56 of things I wish I had in my kitchen sooner. This is Micro Munchie's Toastie Maker, and I'm obsessed. As a woman with a busy schedule, I need something quick and easy for lunch. This Toastie Maker makes golden, crispy toasties in just minutes. My husband's even obsessed. I love how compact it is so it doesn't take up a lot of space in my kitchen, and it's super easy to carry it anywhere like school or work. Also, it has a non-stick coating and it's dishwasher safe, so it's super easy to clean, which makes life so easy. Get your Toastie Maker at micromunchie.com.